Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to cancel Navy Federal credit card. To cancel your Navy Federal credit card, first of all open your web browser. Inside the URL box, type in navyfederal.org and press enter to end up in the official website. Once you get to the Navy Federal Credit Union webpage, scroll all the way down from the main home page. Click on the Contact Us button under Member Support. Once you get to this page, scroll down and you will be able to find phone numbers, mailing addresses, and other information to contact to the customer support team. The easiest way to cancel your credit card is by calling on to the toll-free number and speaking to a customer service representative via phone call. Make sure you have paid off the balance on your credit card before you cancel it. If you have a joint card holder on the account, both card holders will need to agree to cancel the card. Go ahead and make a phone call on the number that you've selected and then tell a customer service representative that you would like to cancel your credit card, and they will guide you through the process. So that is how you can easily cancel your Navy Federal credit card in just a quick and simple step. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.